Hi there, Scott with Seaman Custom Builds. You may be familiar with the Dustopper product and the many different builds that people have done with shop vacs to save their filters. Did you know it's also as convenient to use with your dust extractor to extend the life of those filter bags and filters? In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a simple, cheap solution to mounting the Dustopper and bucket onto most dust extractors so that you can drag it around with you and not worry about it spilling over. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy this video. For this project, we'll need the Dustopper lid, the hose that it came with, also your 5-gallon bucket. We're going to use 3/4 inch plastic strapping. You may find this in the HVAC section in your local big box store. You could also use metal strapping. Just those holes are going to make it easy to line it up. We need number 10 3/4 inch panhead metal screws, number 10 washers, Phillips head screwdriver, tape measure, and utility knife. We start by measuring out 84 inches of the 3/4 inch strapping and then cut that to length. Now we take our bucket and flip it over, and we'll make 2 wraps around right below the rim. This will help hold it in place once we mount the bucket to the extractor. Leaving about a 1/2 inch gap for movement, then we slide it off and set the bucket aside. Mine was previously used, so let's clean that dust up before we go any further. Now where our loops overlap, we'll line up the holes across the 3 sections and start the first screw with a washer on it already. Now we'll measure over 5 inches, which is the width between the 2 holes on the extractor from the first screw, and drill a hole to run our second screw through. Now we start threading in the second screw again with the washer already in place. Next, we will mount this to the back of our extractor using the pre-drilled holes that Festool has for the handle kit, and tighten them down without stripping them out. Now we grab our bucket and secure the Dustopper lid in place, and then slide into the mount we just made and attach to the extractor. Here I spin the extractor around, opening the top access panel, and using the included hose from Dustopper, run it through the port. This will be a snug fit. A slightly smaller hose would work better, but this will work. Now we add our suction hose to our tools, and we're ready to go. I hope you found this video helpful. Please leave any questions or comments in the section below. There's also a link to this kit in my Etsy store if you want to simplify the process for yourself. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for new video notifications, like, comment, and share. There's also a link below to any tools or products used during this video.